let's talk about recent volatility in this market. Have we seen the worst for 16, or is there more selling to come?
I think it's going to be based on earnings, and if we get, we've already had a lot of earnings revisions to the downside. If we can have if that abates a bit, I think we'll have brighter days, but I think the jury's still out on that.
Earnings down 4% in the fourth quarter. Not a great showing for the fourth quarter for the S&P 500.
No, it's not. And the first and the second quarter aren't looking too good as well. I mean, we've seen revisions huge across the board. Healthcare even had revisions to the negative side. So I think that's been overdone. So maybe we'll have some positive surprises from that lower base in the next few months.
You want to put money to work in stocks?
Always. I think that the market's really inexpensive now. Some values in a variety of sectors. It gives my clients a chance to actually participate in some industries we hadn't had exposure to.
We talk about the Fed all the time, and Dagan just feels like, look, they're out of bullets, right, Dagan?
Yeah, I think that that central banks around the world look lost and powerless. And even when they've taken interest rates negative, there hasn't been a positive reaction. I think that even if the Fed tips its hat and says, oh, we might cut interest rates, I think the market would sell off on that.
Does that play into your thinking?
Yeah, I mean, here's the thing. I mean, how much stimulus is it going to take to actually get the market moving and keep it moving? Well, at some point, we're going to have to realize we just got to let it play out. We're long-term investors, so, I mean, you're going to have to take the good with the bad.
Yeah, all right, we'll talk more about that. Stay with us.